Hi everyone, let's look at this question here. This question was taken from one of the ACJC tutorial. Actually, it was asked by one of my students. I'm not sure what the source is, but it's about cuboid. But I think it's a pretty common question they like to ask during in the exam. So let's just try and dive deep into how to solve this properly lah. So you're given that the diagram yada yada cuboid, and they labeled up for you, which then OA, OD are 3A, 2A, and A. So I'm just going to label them. OA is 3A, OA is 3A. So this is 3A. Okay, and then I have got OC as 2A. So OC is 2A. So this is 2A. Maybe I should just write 2A. Okay, so this is 2A as well. And then I've got, what else? OD, oh my goodness, sorry, the cuboid is a bit out of what do you call it, shape, out of the proportion, is it? Yeah, it doesn't, okay, but it doesn't matter, it's just a matter of perspective, right? So O taken as origin with unit vector I as OA, this corresponds to this. So this one, just label it, because if you don't label it, you're probably gonna get confused. So this is I. So you don't have your own naming, right? Basically, if the question gives you the coordinate, just use it. So J is OC, so J is OC. So this is OC over here. And then you have got K as OD prime. So this is OD prime. Here is OD prime. K, yeah. Okay, so the points P on CB and Q on OD are such as CP yada yada. So this is actually just ratio. So should I label it? Okay, I'll just CB on Q, CP prime OQ, P on CB prime, P on CB prime. So basically CP over C prime B prime is 1, 3. So let's look at that. So P is on CB prime. CB prime is here. C prime B prime is here. So CP is 1. CB prime is 3. P on Q. C prime P is 1. So this will be a P lah, I assume. So this is 1, this is 3. Okay. And then you have such that CP prime P, C prime B prime. It's so confusing. C prime B prime, C prime. Sorry, I'm actually lack of sleep, so I'm not thinking. C prime, P prime, my lord, C prime. Oh yeah, crap, I copied wrongly. C, you see, I told you. OQ or OD prime is 1/3. So OQ is 1, OD prime is 3, OD prime is 3, OQ is 1. Okay, so means Q is here lah. This is 1 1Q about here lah. Here is Q. So this is like 1 unit. This is like 3, right? Oh, I interpreted already. OD prime. Oh no, my lord. This is 2 actually. Did I label the wrong one? Oh shucks, I labeled wrongly as well. So this is 2. Yeah, C prime B prime. Okay, great. So just label it properly. Make sure you don't have any mistake, right? Just like what I did. So you ask to find the position of, oh, okay, that's not too bad. Position vector of OP. So there you go. Life goes on. In terms of A, is it in terms of A? They never say in terms of A. That's, oh my goodness. Okay, I think it's likely in terms of A lah. But anyway, first of all, find you know that this one over here, I'm just going to redraw it so that you could see. This will be your P, this is your 1, and this is your 2, right? So this is C prime, and this is actually your B prime, and this is your O lah. So it means your first thing is to find the coordinate OC lah. So OP is actually equals to OC prime times 2 by ratio theorem. Okay, by ratio theorem. OC prime times 2 OB prime over 3. Right, so OC OC prime Make sure you know how to read your coordinates properly. So you look at this OC prime. This is 3D coordinates. So OC prime will be have 1J here. This is 2A. And then 1A above, right? But it has no I. So because it doesn't translate in the I direction. So anyway, this is just 0. J has a 2. So 0, 2, and A. Like that. That is OC prime. Then now you want to find your OB prime. OB prime is here, over here. So to go to OB prime, you actually need to know how to read this properly. 3A, 2A, and A. Okay? 3A, 2A, and A. There you go. So this is OB prime. So make sure you can read your coordinates properly. If you're not, you need to work on that. I can't help you on that. So, but yeah, just ask me if you have encountered any issue. Don't keep it to yourself, please. Not good. Yeah, it's not good, people. So just multiply everything in. This would be okay, 1/3. I think this is 3A. 4 times 6A. This would be 2, 3. Oh my goodness, that's good. So it's A, 2A, and A. Let's check the answer. Okay, maybe A, 2A, and A. Right, that's my coordinate of OP. They want the coordinate, is it? Position vectors. You can just leave it, I guess you can just leave it like that. Okay, so 1, this is OP. Find OQ. So same thing. OQ would just be, OQ is quite straightforward lah. OQ is actually just 1/3 of OD prime lah. OD prime is just 1/3. If I didn't interpret it wrongly, is 0, 0A. Let's hope it's correct. Yeah, that's the one. So there you go. That's not too bad. Okay. By ratio lah, just do the ratio. Part 2, hence find the vector equation line of PQ. My goodness. Okay, let's find the PQ. Equation of line PQ. Line PQ would just be R. PQ. I just find OQ lah. Line PQ R OQ plus lambda P to Q lor. I think using R OQ will be the easiest. So OQ will just be 0, 0, A over 3. And P to Q, just do mental calculation. Or you can just Q to P, doesn't matter. I think maybe Q to P is easier. So Q to P on this end will be AA minus 0, 0, A over 3. So this is not too bad. You get A, 2A, and 2/3 A. Oh my goodness. You can simplify this. I think simplifying is easier. So A over 3 plus lambda A. Is A a constant? Is a constant? Oh, okay, great. So this could be simplified as just remember this is actually 1, 2, and 2/3. You can just take this, it's okay. This one could simplify as I think 3 times 1 to 3, 6, 2. It should be 6, 3, 6, 2. Cos is just a unit. That's your answer. That's a simplified form. But leaving A inside is also okay. Alright, man, I got it. Why did they use OP? Why did they use OP? Where you go? OQ, is it easier? OQ is like easier. But anyway, there are multiple answers. You can leave it in. So determine whether PQ and AC prime are skew. AC prime, what's AC? AC prime is skew. So PQ, so you just find the line equation of AC, part 3. Find AC prime. My goodness, so we need to find OA first lah. R equals to OA plus mu AC prime. It's a lot of work, man. So but anyway, I'm just gonna find OA. OA will just be 3A00 O C prime will just be 0, 2a, and a. Let's say C prime. So AC prime will just be minus 3a, 2a, and a. This will simplify as minus 3 to 1. Great. So this is just another value here. Prime, I'm just going to use 3a, 0 plus lambda minus 3 to 1 equals to, yeah. So what you're going to do is actually just going to equate them lah. Equate them and hope for the best, right? So when let LAC prime equals to let A PQ, so you have got AC 3A minus 3 mu 2 mu and mu equals to 3 lambda 6 lambda A over 3 plus 2 lambda. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm not sure what am I doing. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna solve it, I guess. Let me see first. Lambda equals to 2. So from here we know that mu equals to 3 lambda. So I'm just gonna substitute both into the third one. So this is 3a minus 9 lambda equals to 3 lambda. This will yield this one, substitute into the first one, you get this one here, right? So when mu equals to 3 lambda, you get this 3a minus 9 lambda, 3 lambda, so this will be 12 lambda. A equals to 12 divided by 3 is 4 lambda, and then if you substitute that, when 3 lambda, this one here, mu equals to a over 3 lambda a equals to 3 lambda. So since there are no unique solutions for L1 equals to L2, hence the lines are skew. Okay, anyway, if they are the same line, they should be equal. These both should have the equal solution, but they are not, so you can't really say that they are intersecting. So that's okay. Let's look at the subsequent one. So I'm done. I've done this one, hence find this one. Find shortest M to the midpoint AB prime to the line PQ. Use vector product to find the area of triangle PQM. Oh my goodness. Shortest distance M to the midpoint AB prime and to the line. The midpoint of AB prime. Oh, M is midpoint AB prime. So M is AB prime. Where's AB? Oh, AB prime is here. AB prime is here. Okay, here. To which line again? To line PQ. Oh my goodness. So this is M. Yo, so many things. So before that, let me check whether I have any typo before I follow, because if there's some typo, I'm pretty much screwed. The question. Determine whether the line still is M A B prime to PQ. Okay, great, this is correct. So now I basically define OM lah, midpoint, right? So part 3, OM will just be OB prime plus OA divided by 2 lah. That's all right. My B looks like a D. That will cost me a lot of trouble. Oh, see, you see? Oh my goodness, prime plus. Wait, give chance, okay? Oh my, OB prime will be 3A, 2A, and A. Okay, so this is 3A, 2A, and A. Great. Then OA would be 3. OA would just be 3A 0 0 divided by 2 lah. That's about it. So if you were to do this, is 6A, 3A, 2A, A over 2, just like that. This is your OM. Okay. Now the question now is, how do you find the shortest distance from this to the line PQ? So I'm just going to draw the line PQ out. Line PQ is here. Don't care about the rest. OM is here. So basically PQ, I got my O here. 0, 0, A over 3. And direction here, which is like 3, 6, 2. You want to find the shortest distance, which is here. This is what? This is Q, right? Alright, man. So if you want to find the shortest distance, just use the magic triangle. Hello. This one. So any distance question, just use the distance triangle. Why is this difficult? Why is this difficult? Okay, so there you go. So what you need to find is this distance here. So remember, this is a vector you have. This is a vector you have, and this is a vector you have. The angle subtended between them would be here. Always know where is a triangle, people. So you're finding the opposite triangle, right? So in other words, the shortest distance. Just draw the two lines. This is a line PQ actually. This is Q. Yeah, that's all. Is QM. If it's opposite, so it's cross 3, 6, 2. My goodness, this is not fun at all. You do not unit vector the hypotenuse, so the QM do not. You unit vector the just adjacent side. So this would be QM. M is A over 2, right? So you just need to do calculation 3 A half 1/6 half minus 1/3. I do not trust myself. Okay, so this is 1/6 1/6. My goodness, A. Okay, this is 3, 6, 2. Unit vector means you need to divide by its length, so I'm just going to divide by its length. Length, which is like 3 square plus 6 square plus 2 square. I'm just going to factorize the A out. It's very annoying, so actually you can just factorize A over 6 out. So A over 6 is 18, 6, 1. Yeah, then you just do this. Do they want exact? Oh, they do not want exact. You can just screw them lah. When they do not want exact, don't give exact lah. Give exact for what? Just calculate as per normal lah. So, but I'm just gonna give exact lah because I'm a good student. So 3, 6, 2. kidding. Don't take Mr. Gun's word for it. Okay, chill. Don't chill, man, chill. So this one, I'm not okay. Crap. This is 8 over 6. This will give me 6 minus 33, 90. Okay, so 3 square plus 6 square plus 2 square. 49. 49 square 49 will be 7. Oh my goodness, not enough space. Can I? Okay, yeah. I think I just write this out here. I'm just gonna yeah. So from here, I know that it's just 72 6 square 3 square plus 90 square. That's a huge number, man. Divided by 25 divided by 25. Okay, let's try. 9225 divided by 25 divided by 25 divided by 9. Yeah, so 41. Yeah, so this will be 25, 9, and yeah, you all know how to do. Just divide lah. This is 41. So this will be 5 times 3 divided by 42 with 5 over 14. A root 41 units. There you go. Got it. What is that? Square. Oh, okay, that's the area. Okay, great. Aha, that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. Let's look at the last one. Use vector product to find the area PQM. Ayo, my lord, PQM. The PQ, I have P and QM. Just cross product lah. P have M here. PQ and M. Do I have PQ? PQ is here. This is my PQ. PQM. So required area part 3. Just be half PQ we have, right? Times PM or QM. Oh, we have QM, so QM. Doesn't matter. Basically, any PQM, any two half PQ. So PQ is this one. We got PQ. There's no PQ. What's this one? QP. Oh, QP. A QP. QP. Doesn't matter. QP. Then this QP will be A to A to third A. A to A to third A. Cross with QM, which is what? QM, which is 3A over 6. 3A over 6. Let's hope that I got it correct. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to factorize the A out as usual. So 1 over A, bring it out. A, bring it out, and I'll bring another A out because it's very annoying. I can bring the 3 out actually, so I'm just going to bring the 1/3 out as well. 1 over 1, 6 out. Okay, great. Okay, maybe it's very confusing. Okay, the first one I'll just bring the 1/3 A out. The second one I'll just bring the, so anyway, this is 3A, 6A, 2A times 3 lah. 3, 3, 3. Yeah. Cross with, take the 1, 6 out. This will be times 6. 18A, 6A. I think we did this just now, right? 6, 1. So this will be 18, 36, 36. Ta-da! Great. Then what you do is you just cross product lah. Don't tell me you can't do this, right? So those of you wondering, what am I doing, right? You can actually use a GC and calculate cross product, but if you really want to know how, right, just ask me. Oh crap, there's a 2A there, 2 square, 2A. So this would be okay, so this will be 6 square. It's so hot, man, people. It's so hot. Ayo. May have ayo, divide 25. 9225 divided 25 divided by 16. 9. So this will be 1 over 36 a square, 25, 9, and 41. 5 times 3 divided by 36 over 12. I hope that's the answer, man. If it's not the answer, I don't know what to do really. C. Moment of truth. Yay. Awesome. It's not too difficult, I think. It's quite a typical question. Please practice. Any question, please continue to ask me. Don't hesitate, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you very much.